Thomas from Lindt is the most creative chocolatier I know. You really are. And this is another example of your great work. What are you making me today?
Well, I'm just going to show you a different way of enjoying chocolate.
Yes.
It's basically chocolate shards or chocolate chips
Yeah.
and a bit of fruit, but we turn strawberry into a salsa and put a bit of whipped cream on top.
I just think that's such a cool idea. We think corn chips and guacamole, so corn chips and dip, or corn chips and salsa, and then why not do it in a sweet way?
Great to do with friends around the table as well. Now, I just melted and tempered our chocolate, 70% cacao, and then just sort of make really nice and thin shards. The easiest way is do that between two sheets of plastic or baking paper, and then with a rolling pin, just make it really nice and thin, and then you get it nice and glossy.
And I know you've taken it even further by putting the Lindt print on it too.
Just showing off a little bit sometimes. So, strawberries, you can just, I put a little bit of sugar on there. The actual juice sort of bleeds out really nicely from that as well, so it really makes it nice and jammy almost. But strawberries love pepper as well, so you can actually put a little bit of black pepper just on there as well. And then pick whichever sort of chip that you would like.
I think this Lindt chippy has my name all over it.
Perfect. So we'll go with a little bit of the strawberry in the middle. And then just as a contrast, a little bit of cream. This is really just Chantilly cream, whipped cream with a touch of icing sugar, a little bit of vanilla. And then when you bite it, you get that crunch from the tempered chocolate, the fruitiness of the strawberry, and that creaminess of the cream.
That's a brilliant idea. It really is, because it does just crack like glass. And then that sweetness of the strawberries. The pepper, it's not like, oh, pepper. It's just got that warmth.
Just a little hint.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
But that bitterness of the chocolate, like it's a beautiful dark chocolate, it sort of rounds up that fruitiness of the strawberry and brings it all together deliciously.
I told you he was a clever chocolatier. Because that right there is the most delicious little snack.